Hi guys, just finished watching Paatal Lok and here's what I thought about it. Early in the first episode of the series, Hathiram tells to his deputy that there are three loks. The Swarg Lok, where the gods live, the Dharti Lok for humans, and the Paatal Lok, where the insects live. He goes on to say that the crimes of the Swarg Lok remain there and the outer world does not get a whiff of it. Whereas the crimes of the Paatal Lok is an everyday affair and that no one really cares who lives or dies here. The problem, he says, is when every now and then an insect from the Paatal Lok comes in or creeps in to the Dharti Lok. This parable is quite simply the most apt description or symbolic synopsis of this series. The shot then moves to a cockroach crawling in the hotel floor where a waiter accidentally squishes him, letting the audience know again symbolically that the insects of the Paatal Lok are here. Watch out. Such attention to detail, metaphors, references and parallels are many aplenty in this absorbing and engrossing series Paatal Lok. On the surface, this is a story about a cop whose self-awareness of his insignificant life and career has made him cynical. He is handed a case about a spoiled assassination attempt of a celebrated news anchor Sanjeev Mehra by 4 killers. Hathiram knows what this case means to him. A chance at redemption. But as the investigation progresses, he realizes that the rabbit hole is deeper than it seems. Directed by Avinash Arun, whose previous work is the National Award winning Marathi film Killa, and Prosit Roy, whose previous work is the underrated but fascinating Pari. Together they elevate the narrative from a neo-Nord police investigation thriller to something much more, all at the same time grounded in today's reality. So you have references to Gauri Lankesh, fake news, beef ban killings, and the constant othering of the minority community, which unfortunately has seeped into the country's discourse at a grassroots level. Creator and writer Sudeep, who has also written NH10 and Udta Punjab, skillfully explores each character's stark differences between their professional and personal life. He also explores their daily struggles. Take for example Sanjeev Mehra, played terrifically by Neeraj Karbi. While professionally Sanjeev is astute and sharp, he is sloppy and careless in his personal life. So when he moves from an anchor role to an editor's chair professionally, his personal life is falling apart. So is his moral compass. Another example is Imran Ansari, played earnestly by newcomer Ishwak Singh. He is kind-hearted, efficient and an able police officer who has cracked his exam and is on his way to becoming an IPS officer. But he has to constantly deal with anyone and everyone who's taking a dig about his religion. Sudeep also paints the backstory of each of the 4 suspects with meticulous detail, tremendous empathy and real tragedy. The language, the accents, the galis, the people, the scenarios, their motivation all give the world a lived-in feel. The casting is pitch perfect with all actors delivering wonderful performances no matter the length of their role. Be it Abhishek Banerjee, who is menacing as Vishal Tyagi, to Gul Panak as Reenu, Hathi's wife, to Nikita Grover as the female constable who is more worried about a selfie with Sanjeev Mehra or solving domestic issues over her phone rather than the case. But the man who anchors the series, to whom we can say that the series belongs to, is Jaideep Ahlawat. He is exceptional and stands out as Hathiram. He doesn't miss a beat. When he is swearing, drinking, chasing or getting chased, hitting or getting hit, heck, even when he is eating, he is excellent. This Hathi, I can safely say, is leaps and bounds ahead of Kartar Singh in Sacred Games, both in terms of the way it's written as well as it's acted, and that's saying a lot. He is a force to reckon with. Paatal Lok is what a web series should be. Original, realistic, relevant, not afraid to voice the political and social commentary of the times we are in. All at the same time being a fast-paced tout thriller. It's unmissable. Catch this one on Amazon Prime. Hi guys, I hope you liked my last video, and if you did, please share it with your family and friends. Keep the feedback coming. It helps me improve my channel, The Desi Binger. Follow The Desi Binger on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to my channel, The Desi Binger, on YouTube. I'm always looking for new ideas and themes, so if you have any, please do share. If there's a specific movie or a TV series that you want me to review, please mention that in the comment section and I will be happy to take it up. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care.